Hello everyone, it's Michael, I'm your friend. Now I would like to show you our magnetic transmitter. Here is a sample, and I'm happy to tell you it is a battery powered type. Battery powered, so you don't need to give AC power or DC power. So if there's no power in your seat, please choose this one, and we can see it is remote structure. It is not compact, it is remote. Here is the front cover. I have loosened the screws in advance. Now I can remove it directly. Here we go, and we can see the black one, the gasket. It is for waterproof. You can see it is a little higher than this surface. A very nice design, so it can meet IP65, and there are some terminals for current output or pulse output, and here this is very important. Can you see this one? Red. We can see this side it is on, and this side, so it means off. We can see the switch stays off. Now I will turn on it, push them from this side to this side. We can see the changes. Okay, here we go. We got the reading already, and in the middle of the display here is a battery icon. Now I need to remove the icon. Remove. Press this one, and then this one. Keep this. Okay, now I loosen. There is no battery now, and I press this one. Parameter set. Enter. Enter. Now I need to input the password. The password is 1 Shift 9 Shift 8 Shift 1 Shift 7 8. Okay, now I shift, enter. Okay, language, it is language, and we can change the windows. You can see there are many technical parameters inside. If I want to go to any window, for example, I want to change the flow response time, I need to shift it here, enter. Now it is 8 seconds. I can change 12, 16, 20, 30, 4, 8. Okay. Next. Enter. Enter. Okay. This one. Sorry. This one. Okay. So I can change many windows. Do you remember? Thank you.